everyone, hope you're all doing good. I'm Sai Rajeswari. Welcome to my channel. I'm a Jenny. If you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can see a lot of videos on my channel. Just go to the playlist. You'll find homeschooling, fashion, travel, lifestyle, early education, and home gardening, veg recipes, and many more parenting tips. So this video is all about the homeschooling, and the theme is Easter. So if you watched my latest video, you might have seen a lot of plastic eggs we have collected on the Easter egg hunt. So in this video I'm going to show you how in many ways we can use these plastic Easter eggs for all ages kids. So in this video I'll be showing the Easter egg activities for the kids above 4 years and up. But if you follow me on Instagram, you can find a lot of activities for kids under 4 years also. So which means you can find lots of DIY activities using these plastic eggs on my Instagram page. Just follow our Sai Rajeswari on Instagram. So let's see what are all the activities I did for my little one. Totally there are 9 activities. I'm not talking about these things. I'm just talking about this center shelf in the cube shelf. So the first one is, these are not numbers, ignore the numbers, these are just eggs, but inside the eggs there are some chits. So this is a kind of physical activity, and the name of that activity is egg action. There are nearly 18 eggs here, so in every egg you can find a chit like this. For example, 10 high jumps. The child need to pick up any egg and he need to follow the same instructions which was written on the chit. So it's just for fun game. This is egg action game. And the second activity is a pattern matching. So there are total 8 eggs, sorry, some one egg is missing here. So these are the eggs we used, and I created some patterns. So the child need to follow these patterns and he need to set on this chocolate box. So you can use a chocolate box or egg carton, or even the cupcake molds even fits perfectly. Close to 12 patterns, you can do more also. The child need to follow the same. For example, in the first row red, pink and blue, so they have to arrange red, pink and blue, and next again green and pink. So there are different shades of pink. One is the pink and the other one is the crimson, and the last one is yellow, orange and green. So this is a kind of challenging because I chose the same color but with the different shades. So this is a kind of interesting game for kids, and it's not really easy, but it will keep them engaged and it will help them to learn develop the concentration levels. So this is the second one. This is the pattern egg patterns, and the third one is the compound words. So for example, I said here, this is the bird and the house, bird house. So they need to, I just broke the one compound word into 2 pieces. The child need to find the particular piece and they have to match it. So there are close to 15 eggs, I guess. The fourth activity is rhyming eggs. For example, joke, poke. So you just need to separate this, and the child need to find them and match them. Sorry, the child need to find the perfect pair. So these are the close to 15 to 20. So if your child is not introduced to the rhyming words or compound words, you can just go with the alphabets like a matching. For example, just like this, capital C on one egg, small c on another egg. So you can do like that also. And the fifth one is, this is the subtractions, egg tractions. So I just wrote, he finished almost all activities, so he just paired up with us. I wrote 10 minus 3 equals to 7 on one egg, and the answer, question on one egg and the answer on another egg. The child need to match it. If he gets confused, he can use this booklet, and this is from the class monitor kit. We are using the class monitor kit from the past 2.5 years. They are helping us a lot. If you are interested, you just go and check out on my description. You will find the link, and if you buy using my link, you will get a 300 rupees offer which you won't get from the site. So this is the egg attraction subtractions. So this is the sixth activity, and this activity is all about story cards. So we read a couple of Easter egg stories and Easter bunny stories. So based on one story, I prepared a couple of chits. So I just hid it inside those chits inside the egg. The child need to open the egg and he should read that, and he should make a sequence of story of that. So coming to the part of the seventh one is, this is the pattern matching. So I just ignored, I just did it in last minute, so it didn't came really very well. But if your child is younger one or beginner, you can they might feel more interested. The child need to match the perfect pattern, so matching pattern to of the like this. So, and the next one is matic. So for example, let's take this because I can find that easily. There is only one blue egg, so I just put few dots on half egg and the word on one egg. So the child need to count and match with the same number. For example, there are 10 dots here, 10 dots, and this is 10. So they have to match it with like this, just like this. So these are the eggs. And this is the 8th activity. And coming to the part of 9th activity, this is a sensory game. So I just kept a couple of eggs and spoon. I will be adding a few more kitchen utensils, and this is a messy mat and the egg curtain, and here comes the colored rice. So the child need to scoop it using the spoons, and they have to fill the eggs with the rice grains only with one hand. And the intention of the game is like a everyday life skills, and to avoid spilling. It helps them to eat by their own. So that's the intention. While doing this game, there may be a little messy, but just ignore it. That's how they will learn. So this is the 9th activity. Trust me, this will help them learn so many things, and they will enjoy a lot, especially when it comes to messy activities. So these are the 9 activities which we are doing this week using the plastic eggshell. So let's get into the another one. So coming to this part, I didn't change much because this every day he used to pick up any one thing and he used to keeps on playing it. Just one or two things I just changed. If you don't know, these are the these are the books we have at home, and these are from the library, and these are the activity books. So this will be a permanent shelf. So these are the vehicles, and I changed this as per his interest. So this is a train set. This is for just pretend play, and again the road set. I'll be giving all the available links on my description, so please go and check it out. So this is a doctor set. He asked me and he requested me to put this on the shelf for pretend play. And these are the daily worksheets which we do on a daily basis. And here I will be adding a DIY dough. So this is one more moon sand. As soon as possible, I'll try to share this video of the moon sand and how can we use it also. So please keep an eye on my homeschooling videos. Hopefully I'll be doing these videos on the sensory DIY activities from next week onwards. Again, these are baking and other set of molds, like whether for sweeping or whatever it is, just for sensory base. This is for handy purpose, and again this for STEM activities. So just used drippers and syrups, cups. So let's see what's inside this shelf. As many of you knew about this shelf, on the top I'll be arranging all the crayons, pencils, sketches for easy access, and on here pom-poms, and this is for counting purpose, and these are also for pretend plain counting. Every day we use this glass beads for counting, and again ice cream sticks like this for any other DIY activities, and accessible scissors. Again, here comes the Easter activity. This is a slime. So there are 2 slimes, so he can play whatever he want. If not, I'll be giving a few ideas. I have few in mind. I'll try to share those on my Instagram post, so please keep an eye on Instagram page. This is from last month. We didn't do that, so I just added it. And this is a number puzzle. You just need to match it. For example, here you can find 8, 8, 8, 8. So he should count that and he should match it perfectly. I bought it a couple of years back on Target, but I'm sure this is not available now. And again, this is a one kind of puzzle. And here comes another set of dough activities. So these are the molds, and here this is for a DIY clock. Soon I'll be sharing how to introduce clock to your kids. And this is a dice sticks games for counting purpose. And again, this is from last month's shelf setup. He didn't finished it, so I just kept it on the bottom row so we can finish once everything is done. So this is like matching the same color on the same stick, same shade of the stick. Sorry, there are lots of grammatical mistakes. I was in hurry. So that's all about this week's shelf or this month's shelf. Soon I'll post whenever we change this, because April is gonna end soon. And this doesn't take much time to finish because all are a 10-minute shelf setup. I'll be posting every details of every activity on Instagram page. So from next month onwards, we'll be starting the spring activities based on the trees and the plant life cycle, etc. So if you have any queries, you can always DM me on Instagram or just drop a comment under this video. If you are looking forward to any particular kind of videos, just let me know what you're expecting. So that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and family. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I post. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Amma Journey. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Itlu Meeraji, Amma Journey.